Good morning, Peaky Perfect people. Welcome back to Purely Perfect Peaks with some of the best walks in the Peak District, apart from the fact we're not actually in the Peak District today. We are in Disley. We're going to do the walk, circular walk around Lyme Park. It's from the Cheshire Outstanding Circular Walks book by the Ordnance Survey. I'll put a link down in the description below to the book so that you can have a look at buying it if you like some of the views or what's going on. Essentially, I live in Manchester and I couldn't be bothered to drive all the way to the peaks today, so I decided to come to Cheshire instead. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get some good walks. The weather is gorgeous, clear skies, sunny, so I've got sun cream and my glasses on, and I'm going to get my hat as well. So let's get walking. Okay, so here we are, and just come from Disley. We're doing the Lyme Park circular. I don't know if you can see behind me, but there's some guy's farm, and he's got a telephone box. Inside the telephone box, he's got a stuffed man dressed as Superman. Okay, so the road on the old bridge is closed, but there's a handy new bridge been built down there. Look at that! Yeah! He's looking at me. What do you want, Sheepy? So the book mentions a ruinous barn, which I'm assuming is that building right there, because it's a barn without a roof or a door. Now, you'll find in some of these walks that you don't always need to climb over the stile, but if you want 10 out of 10 stile points, you need to climb over the stile. Observe. Okay, Peaky Perfect people, it's sunny, there's blue skies. I didn't bring my coat because I thought it would be fine. And look over there! It's grey! It looks like it's raining. I hope I don't get wet. Here we go, Peaky people. Now normally we're just about to cross the Lyme Park car park. Now normally we're on a Saturday, it's about 10:30 in the morning. This place would be packed, but as you can see, there are not many cars here really for a nice sunny Saturday morning. Although Lyme Park Hall is looking beautiful. But that's probably all due to COVID. You've got to book a place, I think, or God, I don't know, announce your arrival or whatever, like the kings and queens of old. But no, things are changing, which is why we decided to do the walk where you can park at Disney train station at the moment, because you don't need to book anything. It's all good. Okay, Purely Perfect Peaks Peaky people, we are here at what's called the Cage, which used to be an old hunting lodge, and they used to put poachers in here before they could put them in prison. Like, the house is just over that hill over there. Like, literally it's taken us 10 or 15 minutes to walk from the entrance of the house to the hunting lodge. Like, imagine being like Richie rich and you can build a big ass tower hunting lodge like less than a mile from your main house. What's the point? But it's kind of cool. So yeah, come and check it out. And also you'll notice behind me on the wall there is a sundial. Now it's just after 11 o'clock, but on the sundial it's showing the shadow just after 10 o'clock, which means that that was built before daylight savings time was introduced. Fun fact! Okay, Peaky Perfect people, I am back in the car and we're done. It was a really nice walk. We almost got wet, but we didn't. The clouds avoided us. They knew that I was filming for the channel and the weather was absolutely amazing. So this was walk number 13 in the Cheshire book, the Outstanding Circular Walks book from the Ordnance Survey. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out, maybe by yourself. The walk was really easy to follow. There was a couple of styles that had turned into gates and a few bits and bobs like that, but the notes were pretty clear, the map was really clear. Like, yeah, you'll be able to find your way around absolutely fine. You don't need to be a super experienced walker to find your way around this walk. But no, really enjoyed it. It was really nice. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. My name's Dave, we are here with Purely Perfect Peaks, and we'll catch you next week. Oh, not really.